The Lifx white smart bulb is an extremely compelling option for a smart home. At the low price of $10, it's definitely a great smart bulb. Let's start the unboxing. We are presented with a small cardboard box with information about the product. As we open it, we are presented with just the smart bulb and the small instruction manual. I have used this product for a few days now, so let's get into my thoughts on the Lifx smart bulb. First, let's talk about the supported assistants, which is probably why you are interested in making your home smart. This bulb works with pretty much all assistants, which I love. It works with the Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, and HomeKit, with Siri, which is rare at this price point. In fact, you don't even need the Lifx app, which you will talk about. You can just set it up in the Home app on your iPhone and iPad. It also works with IFTTT, which can really expand the functionality of the product. IFTTT stands for if this then that. As an example, you could do if I come home, turn on the lights, or really anything that works with IFTTT. It also works with Cortana, which I don't really care for, but it's nice for people who may use that assistant on their Windows computers. It also doesn't need a hub, which means the light directly connects to your Wi-Fi network. Keep in mind it only works with 2.4 GHz networks. Light off. Set light to 50% brightness. The app is really good. It's super intuitive with the ability to group lights if they are in a single room. The brightness menu is simple and intuitive. You can create schedules with the app. There are also 4 scenes by default: flicker, spooky, strobe, and visualizer. My favorite is the visualizer scene, which makes the brightness of the bulb adjust to what your device's microphone is listening to. For example, let's say I start the visualizer effect on my iPhone and play a song. The light will adjust in brightness based on the song, which is pretty cool. Speaking of brightness, this is a 650 lumen bulb. It's not super bright, but it does the job perfectly fine. One thing this bulb doesn't have is color changing, which other off-brand bulbs have for the same price. But this is a brand name, and Lifx does sell a color-enabled bulb for more money. The bulb is really efficient. According to the box, it's only about $1 per year if used 3 hours per day. And if you use it for the same 3 hours per day, it should last almost 23 years, which is pretty crazy. I think that's really nice, and it's also good for the environment. There is one small flaw though, which applies to all smart bulbs, not just this one. The actual light switch must remain on for the bulb to be controlled by smart assistants or the app. So if you do want to use the old-fashioned switch at any time, you have to turn it off, then turn it back on. It's not a big deal, but it's there. So overall, this is a pretty cool product. I love how it works with all assistants and IFTTT. I love the app, the efficiency, and the fact that no hub is required. I also like that the light is dimmable even if the switch isn't dimmable. Even though it can change color, I wouldn't really use that feature anyway in real life. So if you're looking for a cheaper smart bulb from a reputable brand, I'd highly recommend this product. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.